What is good? What is good? What is good, guys? Video 15. Let's get into it. All right. Market overview. So, current situation right now, this thing just took place uh like a like 4 hours ago or something like that. It was we're waiting for a 1 hour, basically. We're waiting for a break of structure. Oh, here it is. That's properly where it's placed. We had this low. Last two confirmation was here. This is the high, and we broke structure with this candle. After breaking structure, we came down to here, and then we pop up to the 23. That's when things get activated, right? And then put my, you know, my my parameter here, basically to make sure price doesn't go here, and then I will delete this setup currently, and this is the setup that we were taking action in. And I'm looking for entry here and TP there, right? And this is USD, USD JPY. I'm actually putting this trade right now. So risk calculator, we got about 15 pips on this trade. So I'm just gonna wait for this thing to load up. Shit. But currently, also, these are the other oh, these are the other orders right here that I'm waiting on currently. And again, that's the balance. Nothing really changed. We didn't really had trades today overall. So for USD JPY, we're risking $200 to make $100. You got 15 pip stop loss. So I need for this pair. For this pair, I need 2.13 lot size, right? So I'll go to USD JPY right there. Enter the lot size. I need 2.13. And then we're doing a sell limit order. So we go here, limit order. And I'll have my protections too as well. But our entry is to be this number right here. So I'm gonna copy and paste that right here. And then my stop. So all copy and paste. All copy and paste. Then I got my TP, which is my target. Let me place that there, right? So everything is placed. Another check just to make sure all the numbers is correct. And it is. Got our lot size. And this is exactly how you place a trade. And you just send that order. And the order is placed right here. So now I have like 4 orders in all JPY pairs doing the same thing. Let's see what happens after that. But we gotta wait for this trade, of course. Again, we're on the 1 hour, so it's still take a while. So I can go to sleep now. Which I am because it's 12 a.m. and I'm about to go to work tomorrow and stuff. So yeah. CHF JPY. We've been waiting for a long time. Still in the middle here. We haven't validated this area, so this trade is still valid. We're risking 200 to make $100 there. This thing, I'm just waiting for the 4-hour to break structure. Right now, we're just getting a bunch of continuations. So, chilling out. This thing, I'm waiting for a 1-hour break of structure. And I realized I set the Robin trap the wrong way. We had this current situation right here. So I'll be waiting for the 2 mini wins, risking $100. I'm risking $200 to make $100 on the first one, and then that next setup right after this, and I'll be risking $100 to make $50. So get my 150 there. But yeah, we gotta wait for that break of structure. It's still in up structure right now. This is a 4-hour. We're waiting for a 4-hour break of structure, and this currently a trade that I took on a prop firm challenge, uh, funding pips, and I have a 25K challenge on that. And basically, I'm just doing this 4-hour strategy on there. And AUD/USD broke structure on the 1 hour, but we're skipping this setup because we got basically what we wanted. We got what we wanted a long time ago. Like we had this win, 2 mini wins. That's what I'm looking for, right? Then after that, let the market do its thing. And then we had another mini win. Now I'm waiting for another one, and then we're taking action. But until that happens, I'll set this thing up. Point A. This is the brick structure point, and pull back. So this is boom. Let's see if this touched right here. Looks like it touched. Looks like it touched really well. Yep, it sure did. It sure did. All right, so with this candle finishing, right, and this candle touching the 23 without violating this area, this is a valid setup to take. But of course, we're not taking it because we have the orders to skip it, right? Always follow the rules. Always follow the rules. And I'll measure it right here. 216. Expand, and then, of course, I'll see what happens after that. Again, not taking that setup. Skipping it, but placing it. Skipping it, but placing it. All right. So that's what's going on there. Moving along, we have USD US GBP USD. This is a setup waiting for a 1-hour break of structure. We had that to the downside, and this was this play, and of course it validated this area. And this is exactly what I mean by this is exactly because this was the fib actually right here. But this is exactly what I mean by we wait for this thing. If this thing didn't touch the entry right there and gets stopped out, this area gets deleted. And then once it's deleted, we obviously did a continuation here. So we just gotta catch up to the current market, and this is the current market. Last two confirmation is here. This is the high. This break a structure point, and it's still in this fib to the downside. So we're not doing shit there. Waiting for a 4-hour break of structure here, and that's the 4-hour structure right there currently. We did have the 4-hour break. pull back, continuation. Now let's see what it's do. It's probably I'll do another continuation. We're waiting for that. This thing waiting for a 4-hour break of structure. Oh well, wait for a 4-hour con. So we're waiting for a 4-hour continuation. So I'm looking for price to come up to here, and then we can take the next valid entry. Now we had this win, right? We had this win, and then this win, then we had this place. So I'm waiting for this win, and then I have we risked the 200 to make 100 on this one. So the next setup, we're risk 100 to make $50 on this one. So we're basically risking what we made here. That's what it is, man. And I keep that thing in line. I keep that thing in check with the risk management. GBP, JPY. Let's go to the one. It's another setup. Oh, we came close there. Holy shit. It missed us. It missed us. You can see here, it came so close to get entering us in, and then it came smacking down. It was giving us exactly what we wanted. But of course, we gotta wait for that negative 27 to get hit. We gotta wait for that. Yeah, we gotta wait for that. But that is the move right there we're looking for. It would have hit TP if we did tag in. And this is this setup, risking $100 to make $50. So if came up a little bit more, we might have made that $50 easily. But yeah, we gotta still wait and see what it does after that. All right, patience. This is all trading is, man. It's just patience. I set these traps and I let it happen. Right. So this one, we're risking a bit more, $300 to make $150. Why is that? Look at this. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Remember, this is irrelevant because it didn't hit the negative 27. But 1, 2, 3, right? Probabilities. Trading is all about probabilities. What's the probabilities on us getting a fourth one after we had a 3 in a row? Very slim to none. So when this price comes up to here, I'm expecting for this thing that just came to come down straight up. I'm not expecting this price to do another fourth one and make this another solid win. I'm expecting a mini win here and gain this thing. So that's why I'm risking $300, risking a little bit more to make $150 on this one, right? Risking a little bit more than I normally would. I would usually just cap it at 200, but probabilities. I trade the probabilities, bro. That's what makes the coin. All right, so definitely keep that in mind. But yeah, that's what we're doing there, and then we're back on USD JPY. There we go, and that's currently what we're waiting for, right? And of course, everything is set. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 trades ready to go, right? We have 4 trades ready to go. So right now at risk in total, so on this pair, we're risking $200, so 200. This pair we're risking 300, and this pair we're risking 100, and this pair we're risking 200. So about $800 at risk, right? To make brain fart. Plus 100 plus 150 plus 50 plus 100. So make like $400, right? So I'm risking, yeah. And that's like, again, the backwards risk reward in total is like risking 800 to make 400, right? So that's what we got currently going on right now. And then, yeah, we gotta wait for everything else. But that's it, guys. That's it for this video. You see here 1 hour, this 1 hour candle. This next hours I'll come out, but yeah, we're down here, nowhere near our entry. So we're gonna see which ones are gonna stay active. See this thing can come down, and then we can delete this order and wait for the next setup. But yeah, that's currently what's going on. What's going on? Yeah. But that's it, guys. That was it for this market overview. See what we get next. But adios. Take care. And I'll see you around. Next video is I'll be video 16.